Hi guys, you're welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the ACD indicator for MT4 and MT5. Alright, so we're just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. There are several customizable settings which you can modify according to your taste, depending on how you want the indicator to be displayed, depending on how you want it to perform. You can modify the settings. All right. Meanwhile, in order for you to get this indicator, you just have to go to the Forex Geek website. You're going to see the link in the description. Okay. Just follow the link. You're going to get to this web page. You just click on this link here and you're going to be downloading the ACD indicator for MT4. I'm also going to put the link for the MT5 version. So whether you are using MT4 or MT5, you're going to see the link to each of the web pages. All right. So basically, the indicator helps you to identify daily price trends. Okay. The indicator works by defining the opening range in um 30 minutes time frame and below. As you can see, it doesn't work on higher time frames. Okay, it's just 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Right, so 30 minutes and below. Okay, so you can be able to make trading decisions based on price breaking through the A up, or the A down levels. All right, so you can see either when price breaks out from the A up or the C up, you can look for buy opportunities, or when price breaks out from the A down or the C down, you can look for sell opportunities. Okay, so pretty straightforward indicator. All right, that is based on the concept of the opening range. Okay, the opening range concept. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you can click on the subscribe button and click on the notification button as well, so that you get updated when we post more videos on how to use different indicators. All right. So in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.